Hi, I'm Megan with Jeff Cook Real Estate. Have you ever considered the amount of money you can save by refinancing your home? When interest rates are low, you can save on your monthly mortgage payments by refinancing. A mortgage refinance replaces your current home loan with a new one with new terms. This can include a new interest rate, the type of home loan, and the longevity of your loan. As the local real estate experts, Jeff Cook Real Estate can connect you with a trusted lender to help you begin the process of refinancing your home. Here are some of the benefits of refinancing when interest rates are low. When you refinance, you can save money on your mortgage payment, use the money you save to pay off debt or make repairs on your home, and close in less than 30 days. Before you dive into refinancing, it's important to determine your goal. Are you looking to save on your monthly payment? Do you need cash to pay off debt? Do you want to shorten the term of your loan? Do you need to make home improvements? Once you're able to determine your goal, you'll be able to begin the process of refinancing your home. Refinancing gives you the opportunity to reshape your home loan to better fit your financial goals. If you choose to shorten your loan from a 30-year to a 15-year, your monthly payments will increase, but you'll be paying less in interest over time. No matter your real estate questions, our agents are here to help. Jeff Cook Real Estate has the knowledge and experience to help guide you through the home buying, selling, and refinancing process. To get in touch with an agent, call 855-HEY-JEFF today.